Hi, and welcome to Java Eclipse tutorial of income tax and wages calculator. Now let me show you guys how this works. I already have some details in here, so I can always reset. As you can see, the reference number automatically comes up again, so we can always choose. Okay, that's the wages, and we can enter the firm's name. Let's say that is the Kate Aviation, and the name this time around is, let's say, Captain Paul DJ Omen, and duty is pilot. Okay, its wages is, that's this wages, and we then need to enter the tax period. Alright, then just click on and enter the NI number. Now let's click on calculate. There we go. So that is the take-home pay, the net pay. Okay, we can also exit the system if we want. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take you guys straight into Eclipse development environment, and we'll put one of these together. So let's do that now, guys. File, new project, and let's give our new project a name. So I'm just going to call that Eclipse underscore income tax underscore wages. There. So I'm going to copy this because I would use it for my other names. So just click on finish. There we go. Now we go to the where we have all our project, and this is my project file there. Okay, so I'm now going to right click on it, and let's select new, and we will then select order. In order, what you need to select is window builder. Okay, make sure window builder is installed on your system. If it's not installed on your system, there are a lot of tutorials on YouTube that will show you how to actually reinstall your window builder. Then click on the swing builder. Inside the swing builder, select application window. Okay, click on that, and let's give our project a name. I'm just going to paste the name I've copied right in there, and let's click on finish. Alright, my development environment is now getting ready. If I click on design, this is what you guys will see. That's my window there. So I'm going to right click on that, and let's go to select layout, and let's select absolute layout. Okay, one other thing I like to do now is to go straight to the properties, or even right inside the code, and let's change the size. Okay, you see where we have 100 by 100, that is telling us where the form will actually start from. So I'm going to make it 0 by 0 right up here somewhere, and I will change the size of the interface to 1386, and let's go for the height to be 800. If I click on design, this is what you will see there. Okay, the next thing I like to do now is let's look for plane or panel inside this palette here. So there we go, J panel. Draw that in there, just like that. Now you can select the properties. You see where we have structure, and let's click on the border. Inside the border right here, you can change it to border and make that about 4. Okay, that is fine. Alright, what about the back color? Click on back color, and let's go to named colors that I've used before. Yeah, there we go. Click on OK. There. I'm going to move these up there. Now just select Ctrl C, copy and paste. There we go. I think I'm going to move these down. Copy and paste another one here. This other one, just drag it that much. Copy and paste again as the second one. Move this down a little bit. Just make some room for it. Alright, so these two, I'm going to drag them all the way. It's just how I want my interface to look like. The decision is yours, whatever you want to do with your own interface. This is just how I want mine to look like. Right there. That's fine. Okay. I'm going to copy these, paste it right underneath here, and copy these, paste it right here. There we go. So my interface design is coming up. Now the next thing I will do is I need a label. So let's come right down here somewhere. We have a label here. There's one here. Oh, as you can see, my label automatically positions itself because I need to change all of this panel to absolute layer. Select it all and let's go to set layout and just click on absolute layer, which means I can now position whatever component I have on my system how I want. Now let's increase the font size of that very particular label. Let's go up there and just make that maybe about 48 right there. Okay, so in there I'm just going to give that a name. I'm going to call it, just come in there and say income tax and wages calculator. There we go. We'll drag it that much to give it more room. Alright, now we need some more labels. Okay, right here I'm going to have to add more labels. I need one label. And let's just increase the size of that label, then I can copy it across. I'm going to make that about 22. Come right down here, 22, make that bold. I also need text field. And my text field, I'm going to make that 22 as well. Right. Now just copy, paste, paste another one here, and there's going to be one more here. Move all of these up. Maybe we need to move this down a little bit to create more rooms, and one more here. There. Now I also need 3 of those. Down here, copy, paste here. There will be 3 here, and there will be 4 down here. Copy that, paste. Now we need 4 labels up here. Copy, paste there, and we need 3 combo box. Let's come right down here, combo box. We need 3 of those here. First of all, let's change the size to 22 as well. There we go. Now just copy and paste. And we need to paste one here. Label, copy and paste that label up there. Right. Okay. Alright, here I'm going to add some buttons. Let's delete one of these. I will need some buttons here, so let's open up that so that we can see where the buttons are. Right, I need 3 of those. 1, 2 and 3. There. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to speed up the design of the interface, then get back to you guys. Okay, I've finished with the design of my interface. This is how it all looks like. Well, in fact, let's just save and run it, then you guys see what I'm talking about. Click on OK. We're running it for the very first time. There we go. This is how it all looks like. However, nothing is happening. Okay, nothing there, nothing here as well. Right, now let's close that, and the first thing we want to do, maybe we need to give them all a name. That's another thing I have to do. So this one is going to be known as, let's say, txt reference. Let's say referenced. Yeah, that's fine. And this is going to be known as txt employer. We have txt employee next. Txt job title. And so on. So I'm gonna have to name the rest and get back to you guys. Okay, all of the components are named now. So the next thing I'd like to do is select each of these, and let's come to the modal here. Click on that, and I'm going to just enter tax period 0, enter 2, 3. Okay, that's 2, that's 3, and so on. Okay, so that's should be displayed right on the, there we go. Now let's repeat the same thing for the tax period. So make sure the tax period is selected. Come right, tax is actually tax code. Okay, let's make that up. Now the TC 10000. Okay, and so on, guys. There, and click on OK. So the next one is the tax code. Select the tax code, come right here and enter as follows, and that will be NIC 11000, and there. Click on OK. There we go. And here let's enter the wages here. So select that. Just gonna enter the standard wage, 1700, and this one is going to be 700. Let's go for 32, make that 45, and maybe 50. There. Right, that is all that's sorted as well. Now the next thing is, let's come right here, exit. Okay, right click and let's go to add event, action, and action perform. Right in here, the first thing we want to do is let's create an object there, equals new frame. Okay, and it's gonna have an alias of exit. Come right here and enter that. Okay, one good thing about Eclipse is automatically imported as follows, or the variable, where is it? Should be right up here somewhere. There we go, somewhere here. There we go, that's it right there. Okay, let's come right down. Now come Come right here, let's use an if statement. If, let's say J option plain dot show configure or show confirmed dialog. Okay, open up a bracket and call that frame, comma, and if that is going to be confirmed, if you want to exit, there. So that is my one, that's one of my argument, comma. Then I will also enter another argument. This second argument is going to be for my title, so I'll call that income tax and wages. Okay, let's say calculator. Yeah. All right, that's my second argument. Let's add the other argument. This other argument is going to be for my message box. Okay, let's come down here, press enter, paste that in there, and that is going to be dot yes underscore no underscore option, and if that equals this, we want the system to exit. I'm going to copy that and let's enter equals that in there, and here enter a curly braces and we just say system dot exit, and that will be 0. Close that there. All right, you can see these two J option plain, the J option plain there, the three, they are actually giving me an error because we need to import that. So click on that and here just import the J option swing. Yeah, you see that is gone. That's nice. So that means it's going to work. So let's save that and in fact run the program and see how that's going to look like. Yeah, there we go. Click on exit. No, I don't want to exit. Yes, I do want to exit. That's fine. So exit is taken care of. Looking good. All right, let's take care of reset. Right click on reset and let's come in here. There we go. Look at our reset now. Come right in here, press down, and the first thing is I'm going to say txe gross pay dot set text equals nothing, and I'm going to repeat the same thing for deduction dot set text. Right, and so on, guys. Yeah, okay, as you can see I have these errors here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a private variable for them here. Come up here, in fact it's 4, I might as well just create 4 of those. So done that in there and change the components. Let's change that to combo box, and the first one is, the name is actually called COB, no, it's a B payment. Right, that's taken care of. Just gonna copy combo box across for the others and change their names around. Right, and this next one is called COB tax code. Right, and followed by COB tax period. There we go. And finally COB NI code. Right, as you can see, there's no sign of any errors here. So let's go straight down to our reset. And you see all of those are now gone. So that is the resets finally taken care of. If I run it now, let's make sure it's saved and run it and see how it's going to look like. So we can enter whatever I want to enter in here, just play around with it and click on resets. There we go. So for now, with that guys, I'm going to call it the end of the first part of this tutorial, and I'll see you guys shortly.